Have you ever fallen in love with a fragrance at a store, brought it home, and you're like, wait, why does it smell totally different than when I bought it?
Every perfume is built like a story or a play or an opera in 3 acts.
Right. Act 1 is the top notes. These are the opening scenes. What you smell for the first 10 or 15 minutes, think citrus, herbs, light florals. They're bright, fresh, and designed to... If an entire perfume was just made of base notes, I would be happy. But that's just how I roll. So when you read a fragrance description that says top bergamot, heart, jasmine, base, sandalwood, that's literally the timeline of what you're going to smell. The dry down, it's the final phase of your perfume. I think of like fairy dust as you're walking by, like Tinkerbell had her little... That's like sillage. That's how I remember it. If someone asks, the sillage? When someone says like, oh my God, the sillage is amazing, but the dry down's all vanilla. You know exactly what they mean.
Of fresh and fruit. I'm getting pineapple. I'm getting apple. I'm getting a little bit of strawberry. This is the one that we say smells like Disney World.
Rhubarb is a wild card.
Yes.
Some people like it, some people don't. It's turning from almost a gourmand at the beginning. Peony to me smells pink, for lack of a better word.
Yes.
Because it's sweet and it's delightful.
And it's pink. It's so beautiful. This one, we have said...
It's a very happy scent. It's a very happy scent. And if you don't like it, you're crazy.
Because this one smells like Disney World in a bottle.
Let me put my glasses on so I can smell.
I know.
Why?
I know. Anybody can wear this one. They are a beauty. It's a lovely fragrance.
Look at the sidebars today. I had this fragrance on, and I went to the doctor at 4 p.m. And they had, of course, the screen guard up, the sneeze guard. Like, so this poor woman's in a terrarium, right?
Read it. With a burning passion. And I mean burning because it smells like a forest fire and some rubber tires in there with it burning to my nose. The only notes it lists are birch, cocoa, benzoin, and vanilla.
Well, the birch can have a smoky-ish scent to it.
Yeah.
Birch can. But I think they're not going to give you all the notes all the time, people, in case you wanted to know. They're just going to give you the ones that they want you to smell. Look, I have 6 or 8 Argos, and I love them all. They're like punch you in the face, my kind of style. But Maria does not like it. It's not good.
No.
And I gave it a chance. I really did. I didn't even put it on again. I'm like, oh my God, it's so bad. It was so bad that I had to sell it and I hang on to all my stuff because I'm a hoarder, okay? I'm a fragrance hoarder.
When you see a fragrance description, think of it as a timeline, not a recipe.
Right. It's a journey. It takes you on a journey. As they said before. You don't smell everything at once, usually. Top notes are the first impression. Heart notes are the main story. Sometimes they start out as a rom-com and they end up as a poem, maybe.
Yes.
So that's a hell of a journey.
You can go on many journeys with your fragrance.
Sometimes the meh at the first turns into a magic once it settles. Fragrance is a journey, not a destination. If I haven't said that 13 times in the last 5 minutes, my apologies, everybody. Ever wonder why you always end up buying the stuff that smells the same? There's a reason, and we're going to teach you